This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change wiper blades on a Genesis G80. First, make sure your vehicle is completely turned off. The Genesis G80 has hidden wipers, so you must activate service mode to safely access them. This crucial step prevents any accidental damage to your vehicle's hood or the wiper arms themselves. It's a simple process that sets you up for a smooth replacement. To get those wipers into service position, turn your vehicle off. Then, within 20 seconds, push the wiper stalk up to the mist setting and hold it for about 3 seconds. You'll see the wipers move to an upright, vertical position. Now, you can gently lift each wiper arm away from the windshield. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll find a small tab or button. Press this tab to release the old blade. With the tab pressed, slide the old wiper blade downward and off the arm. Now, take your brand new wiper blade. Carefully align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Slide the new blade upward onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, which confirms it's locked into place. Always give the new blade a gentle tug to ensure it is firmly attached and won't come loose during operation. Once both new blades are installed, carefully lower the wiper arms back onto the windshield. Do not let them snap down. To exit service mode, simply start your vehicle. Then, move the wiper stalk to any on position, and the wipers will return to their normal resting position. For the best visibility and safety, remember to replace your Genesis G80's wiper blades every 6 to 12 months, depending on your driving conditions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.